Duval. Y'all ready? Let's go, let's go. Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I would love to have you. So today we are doing some seafood buffalo dip. This is just some of the leftover seafood that I had from yesterday, so I decided to make some buffalo dip. And for today's drink, I'm just doing a strawberry kiwi lime infused water. So it's really good. And I'm really thirsty. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right in because I am so hungry. Y'all, it's big pieces of, oh, I set my grace off camera. Those of you that's wondering. Because I actually ate some of this already. It's big chunks of like shrimp and lobster, crab. It's so good, y'all. I know a lot of you guys are from KC's channel. Welcome, I'm Sharika. Y'all, that was so sweet. I've heard her make that video last night. It was sweet and it was cute. I told her last night, I said, girl, you got me laughing, crying. Tony walked in the room. He's like, I know you ain't in here crying. I said, boy, I got something in my eye. Get out my business. It was so sweet. And it's such a nice and cool idea to do that, to give like other mukbangers shout outs and guess that mukbanger. That's just, she is the bomb. I love her so much, y'all. She knows this already though. Look at that big piece of shrimp. She did though. I was like, I can't believe she would take the time out to say all that sweet stuff about me. It just made me feel so good to know that I was just, you know, just being me, just being nice, and to know that that meant so much to her. That meant a lot to me. So I want to let you know, Casey, you know, you my girl. And I will always support you no matter what. I don't want to talk about it too much because y'all, I'm a big crybaby, okay? But she lit. Oh, she is the bomb. She is the real deal. That buffalo dip is so good. And y'all know those shrimp I had yesterday, they were huge. So that's like half of a shrimp. Oh, snap. Y'all, this water is really good. And I do plan on next week. I know a lot of you guys want me to make some drinks. I plan on doing that on my vlog channel sometime next week for you guys. This is my mukbang channel, so you know we just eat over here. But y'all come check out my vlog channel. I am Sharika B. And I will have the link in the description box. Can y'all see that? Y'all, this is so bomb. So good. I just used cream cheese, blue cheese crumbles, ranch, Frank's buffalo sauce, and then I just did like a Sargento cheese blend. I deshelled all the seafood, so it's a lot of seafood in there. A lot. I'm gonna move y'all to the side a little bit, because I have to let my drink show. Y'all see my cute little... I had made some little cute strawberry ice cubes, but it's taking them forever to freeze, so I wasn't able to put them in my drink. So I said, oh well, I'll do it in tomorrow's video. So those of you that's new to my channel, on Sundays, I do what I like to call date night. And we just basically, I'll make a nice meal. There's no talking. I just eat. I'll have some nice jazz or something playing in the back, and we just eat. It's really relaxing. I think it's really cute. And you guys seem to enjoy it too, so I will continue to do those. I think it's so fancy. Y'all, this buffalo dip is everything. I'll try to put the recipe in the description box, but I do have a video on my vlog channel of me making some buffalo dip, but I think I did shrimp, but you know, you can add whatever you want. Some people add chicken. I've done it with crawfish. But it's so bomb. Tony been asking me to make this forever, so he's gonna be happy when he get home. I made a big pan of it. And I wanted something light today because tonight I'm going to actually one of KC's favorite spots, Cooper Hawk. Is it Cooper Hawk? Yeah, Cooper Hawk in the town center. So I'm going there with some of my girlfriends. I've never been there before. So I want to make sure I had room. I mean, there's so much seafood in this. This is like a big bite of the crab. You probably can't really see it. But y'all gotta try it. That daggone KC had me going last night. She named the drink Pretty Rica and everything. That was the cutest thing. I loved every minute of it, and I watched it on my TV. I was just smiling, grinning. No, she's told me before that she appreciates me. I appreciate her. And we've been out several times. I always invite her places. And she is the exact same way in person. So funny. We have the same sense of humor, and I think that's why we clicked. She just easy, man. She easy to get along with. We have fun. If we not cracking on each other, we cracking on somebody else. Like, we fit. She's the bomb. And I'm so happy for her. She had me so hyped last night, y'all. I'm telling you. While I was crying, I just started to say, Duval. Y'all gotta know that's something we say in our city. I'm telling y'all, I was hyped. I just felt so happy. That was just so sweet and so cute. That's like a great idea. Guess that mukbanger. It's so cute. And I was just so happy that she chose me as her first one. Who would have thunk it? No, she always supported me. You know, when I had my other channel, we would always talk in the comments and stuff. And I remember her saying, like, she wanted to start a channel. She was a little nervous, and I'm like, girl, start the channel. I will subscribe, okay? Look at that piece of lobster. My hand's messy. I'm sorry, y'all. I told my I said in the live, y'all, I said I want all of y'all to go subscribe to my cousin's channel when she get her channel up. Yeah. And she did it. And she is good at it. It's a lot of fun, y'all. It's a lot of fun. You have to love what you do in order to have fun. I love making stuff look pretty. I love to eat. I love to have girl talk. I love making pretty drinks. You know, so it's been fun. I'm starting to have fun again because, you know, like she told y'all last night, I went through a bunch of crazy stuff with my other channel being demonetized, and I still did it for free for probably like 6 months. I still uploaded, you know, trying to stay positive, and then I just was like, I have to do something. I have to do something because I was starting to get upset. So I had to start all over. And it's all good. Everything happens for a reason. It really does. It really, really does. So I made it through that storm. I made it through. Look at that, y'all. So good. But I appreciate all of you guys that came over from my cousin's channel to show me some love. I really appreciate y'all. Y'all just don't know. She made my weekend. Y'all made my weekend. Man, it was... y'all should have seen me last night. I was like smiling from ear to ear. Like, it was just so sweet. It was just so freaking sweet. And I'm like, oh my God, like, that is just so cute. And it's such a cute idea. I can't wait to see who she does next. And it's crazy. Y'all knew who she was talking about. Right off the rip, because I was in them comments. I comment creep sometimes, y'all. My mom always say, those people sure be saying the nicest stuff to you in them comments. I said, what you doing in my comments, sis? And why you ain't leave one? You know what's going on in the comment section. Who taught her how to use that daggone cell phone is what I'm trying to figure out. And let me trip y'all out before I go. So y'all know everybody love Casey Connections intro, right? I'm gonna tell y'all something funny. The next time she posts a video, y'all pay attention. Sometimes I think when she like either in a real good mood, she's really hungry, and she know this food about to be bomb, and she's saying a song like this, y'all. She's like this. Y'all ready? Let's go, let's go. Hey, my connectors, welcome back. Y'all saying, if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, join the family. If you like good food, this is a place to be. That's how she do it. If you like good food, this is a place to be. I be wanting to just get her in the comments so bad, like, sis, you putting a little stank on it, okay? So I hope you guys were done eating. If you're eating with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the next 2 videos at the bottom of the screen. And I will see you guys on tomorrow. Bye, y'all.